which is the best glue to use to fix your broken mobile phone. So here I have one particular glue or adhesive that I'm using. It is B6000. If you look it up, you will find there's plenty of information on this glue or adhesive. Now you can also get the one, it's a B7000. There are a lot of different variation to this. You got B5000, 6000 and 7000, or you got the E6000s. Now the difference is the different ratio mix within the glue itself. So I find to fix all the broken glass, B6000 or 7000 is really good. The glue will not dry immediately. The adhesive, so you can apply the adhesive on the glass. So let's say this one here, this screen here, you can see it's popping out. So what you can do, you can put a bit of glue inside here and you wait for the glue to dry, to cure. It will take up to 24 hours. However, if you make a mistake and the adhesive go onto the glass or the screen or around here, you can easily clean it off because the glue is very similar to a rubber cement. So when it dry, it feel like rubber. You can just kind of like clean it off, rub it off, and after a while, once it's cured, it stays really hard. So I find this glue is an excellent choice to fix your phone. B6000 or B7000, which is a very good adhesive for fixing this kind of thing, especially the popping up screens. You can use it to glue down, or if you need to glue certain things down on the phone, you can use the glue to glue it down so that it stays in place. So very good glue to use. This one here is a bit dry, so you can attach the tip to this one here. Now if you don't use it all in one go, they do tend to dry out very quickly and it stuck at the top here. You can get a needle to push it down, or you can just get one of this piece and push it down, and then I can try to squeeze it out a little bit so you can have a look. It's not like super glue. Super glue is really bad to use in an emergency situation. Yes, you can use super glue, but they tend to damage. If you're not careful, you can damage the screen. So this one here is a bit dry. I have used many times, and every time I open and close, it dry up the top here. We can get a needle and punch it through, or even the SIM tray ejector here. So I'm just gonna try to push it down. It's definitely drying at the top here, so you can just make a hole. So this is the glue here, and you can see if I try to rub it onto a glass, so it's not very smell as well, doesn't give out a lot of smells. I just close that one off so it doesn't dry, and here is the glue. You can see it is kind of like sticky. So it doesn't dry immediately, unlike super glue. They tend to dry very quickly, and it doesn't give you enough time to correctly use it. So this one here will take a longer time to cure, but once it's dry, it will be like a rubber cement. If you make a mistake on the screen, you can always use a cloth to scrub it off like that, and it will come off easily. It does take some time to cure, so just be patient, but there's no film coming out of this adhesive. So if you put a super glue here somewhere along the edge, later you find the film from the super glue will spread all over the place around in the surrounding area, and that can damage the glass. So yeah, I find this glue is really good if you decide to use to fix the pop-up glass, especially because a lot of the iPhone has a pop-up glass like this, so you can use it to glue it down. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.